materials of Earth through the processes of modern science, by the precise workmanship of careful men with skillful hands, comes the precision line of fine automobiles. Ford, Mercury, and Lincoln. Produced by the world's most experienced builder of passenger cars and trucks, Ford Motor Company. This is the Ford Theater. This is the Ford Motor Company. The Mighty Rouge at Dearborn, world's largest manufacturing plant, and 36 other manufacturing plants in 36 cities across the continent. And 150,000 skilled men and women, all devoted to one thing, building automotive products of the highest quality, the precision line of fine trucks and cars. Ford. Mercury. And Lincoln. Every step of the complex manufacturing process is in accordance with the highest quality standards, with strict attention to every detail, with continual checks and tests to ensure high quality. In smelting the iron, Ford checks for quality. Producing the steel, Ford tests for quality. Making the glass, Ford inspects for quality. Forming the body, Ford checks for quality. Finishing the engine block, Ford inspects for quality. Turning the crankshaft, Ford tests for quality. In the creation of every one of the 10,000 parts that go into a new automobile, right through final assembly, the constant emphasis is on precision workmanship and quality manufacture. The 150,000 men and women at Ford never forget the importance of the quality they are building into their products. They are proud of that quality. Quality that makes Ford products outstanding. At Ford, the production line is a precision line. And the result is quality cars and trucks. Ford trucks. Ford, Mercury, and Lincoln automobiles, the precision line of fine cars. Produced by the world's most experienced builder of cars and trucks, Ford Motor Company. The Ford Theater is brought to you by Ford Motor Company, builders of Ford, Mercury, and Lincoln cars, Ford trucks, and farm tractors. For top variety, watch Ed Sullivan's Toast of the Town on CBS TV, sponsored by your Lincoln Mercury dealers. This is CBS, the Columbia Broadcasting System.